In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Photos your default on iPhone. So in order to do this, first of all, head over to your settings and tap on your name right here at the top. Then scroll down and click on iCloud. Scroll down and click on Photos. Okay, here you're going to see an option, Sync this iPhone is toggled on, meaning that all your photos are synced to your iCloud. You just need to toggle this off. And if it's that your photos have all been synced to your iCloud, you're going to have an option to download your photos and videos to your iPhone. So you can download that to your iPhone and back it up to your Google. But just make sure you turn this off. When you do this, head over to Google Photos. So when you're on Google Photos, click on your profile and click on Google Photo Settings. Click on Backup, and we can see here that the backup is off. You just need to turn this on. So what this does is that all your photos and videos are going to be backed up now to your Google Photos and no longer your iCloud. So this can help you to preserve more storage on your iCloud.